I call upon the persons here present to witness that I, Chuan take thee, Bonnie Ka Yipoon, to be my lawful wedded wife. My dearest Bonnie, I love you. For as long as I shall live, I will always keep asking myself this one question. How did I ever get so lucky? When I swiped you into my life 3 years ago, I could have never imagined I was about to meet the love of my life or the incredible journey that we were about to begin.
My one and only Chuan, it's been almost 3 years. Time has flown by so quickly, and there hasn't been a day that has passed where you haven't made me laugh or giggle or tell me that you love me. I remember clearly on our first date, we laughed until I almost had tears in my eyes. We talked for hours on end, but most of all, I felt safe when I was with you. A warm feeling that this was the right thing to do and the path I wanted to take.
Bonnie, thank you for always being my safe harbour. When my mind is in chaos, you bring me peace and warmth. You understand and accept me on my most fundamental level. With you, there are no masks and no facades. Wherever we may go, or whatever we may do in this life, I know with you by my side, I am home.
Chuan, my love, today and for all the days of my life, I promise to be the best wife I can be. To say I love you every day. To lift you when you're down and be there when times are tough. Respect and support your decisions. Handle the crickets and cockroaches. Be more punctual. Listen to you when you don't feel heard. See you when you don't feel seen. Always appreciate and cherish you. Be your shoulder to lean on when life is too much to bear on your own. And to remain by your side as we grow old.
I promise to love you unconditionally, deeply and eternally. I promise to give you as many back scratches and massages as your heart desires, despite your protests to the contrary, because you don't want me to get tired after a long day of work. Bonnie, I promise to keep you smiling and laughing until we are old and grey. I promise to be open and honest with you, to be patient and understanding, and to respect you. I promise to be yours, now and always. I love you so, so much.
Today I marry you with no hesitation and no doubt that you are all I ever wanted of to be. I will always love you with everything I have and promise to always choose you to be my husband.
introduce our newlywed couples. Please be upstanding for Mr. and Mrs. Brew.